Right, good day everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. Another ASMR interesting analysis video. So, NIO needs an update. It appears that NIO is ripping to the upside. This is going to be a pretty laid back video. We're going to pull up our original charts, just take a look at things. Just take a look at the levels, perhaps see where the NIO will go to next, as well as reiterate our original price target for those of you who are just joining in. So that's what we'll do. So let's do it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's August 22nd, 2025, and the previous close of NIO, $6.34, slightly positive 14.4% for the close. All right, lovely ladies and gentlemen, let's get in here. If you are new, this may look like a bunch of scribble scrabble, but it has been on the chart for some time. So where I want to focus on first is the low risk range. Okay, many of you know who've been with us for some time. This range has been here for quite some time. I think a few years at this point, if not like just 2 years. So let's pull over that low risk range. Notice that the price action actually dipped below this low risk range. If you are asking yourself if we're still invested, yes. We haven't even checked the accounts yet, guys. But just below the low risk range is where it dipped below. Will it ever get below these levels at the $3 level? I'm not sure. I will also openly admit that we were wrong on our last video post. For those of you who are new, we were actually looking for a lower low. Yeah, so I won't say unfortunately. We really wanted to get extremely aggressive in this market because we've seen a huge opportunity. Hopefully we're leaving that link for the video where we said huge opportunity incoming for NIO. But again, what we were looking for is a new low down here. And unfortunately, yeah, you see my little alert is still there on the chart at approximately like 274. Now, that wasn't necessarily timing the market, but it was something that we depict with precision with price action. And we were just looking for that specific in order to pull that trigger to make that aggressive financial decision in this market. So, guys, we were just looking to buy, all right, if it got to $2. All right. It didn't happen. That's fine. We still are in the market. What are we looking for next? Let's get to that information. So the previous level of resistance, let's go over that really quickly, which is pretty simple to see. We're looking at the weekly candles. That's going to be right around here. So that price is at about $5 and yeah, it's $5 even. So if this is a bullish video, right? So if there is some sort of turmoil out there and the price just so happens to have a correction, not saying this is going to happen, just getting those who understand markets fluctuate prepared. If there is a back test, it will likely be a slow methodical move as you're seeing there on the screen to $5, and I only see higher price targets. That may be biased because we're invested, but again, those of you who have been with us know that we've been pretty consistent with saying NIO needs some sort of relief push to the upside eventually. All right, I'm not really good with timing it, but here's the time. All right, so NIO is looking pretty good. We went over the back test level, $5. The area where there might be a little bit of resistance, not saying it will, but just kind of going step by step, right? So $5 back test possible. Next step is likely the what's that there? $7.08 incoming. Again, if there's resistance there, that's fair. It's fine. Nothing to worry about. The more time, guys, the more time that it takes for NIO to just kind of gather the consolidation range and just kind of push higher, the more aggressive the move will be. Our original price target, for those of you who do remember, but if you don't, it is the $16 level. Now, keep in mind that is a conservative price target. No, by no means am I saying that's only how high NIO can go. It's just our conservative price target for those of you who are entering and exiting the market. Of course, please keep in mind this is not financial advice, right? But yes, it's the same, $16. Are we adding to our positions? Probably not. Is it a good time to buy NIO? I'm not sure. We've already explored the levels well below the $5 level. Hopefully we're leaving links for those videos. If you got in, great. If you didn't, $5 would be a really nice area to buy in if, of course, there is a retracement. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for the NIO market. $5 is a retest, $6, $7 as the potential resistance level. And of course, we still got to accomplish $10, and the ultimate target that I will actually be selling at least half of my positions will be at $16. So that's all the information I have for NIO. Hopefully you guys are doing good, and hopefully this is enough information. So if you found any value in this video, go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. And if you guys knew, we also explore the alternative market, Bitcoin, Dogecoin for now. So you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals. Gotta erase this chicken scrap here. All right, video's over. Thanks for tuning in, guys and gals.